In India, making a will is a straightforward process governed by the Indian Succession Act, 1925. A will is a legal document that outlines how a person's assets will be distributed after their death. To create a valid will, the testator, the person making the will, must be of sound mind and at least 18 years old. The will should clearly mention the name of the testator, details of assets, and the names of beneficiaries. It should also include an executor, who will ensure the will is executed as per the testator's wishes. The document must be written voluntarily without coercion or undue influence. Though registration is not mandatory, it is advisable to get the will registered with the sub-registrar to prevent disputes. The will must be signed by the testator in the presence of at least 2 witnesses, who should also sign to confirm that the testator signed it in their presence. The witnesses should not be beneficiaries. A will can be modified or revoked anytime during the testator's lifetime. After the testator's death, the executor or legal heirs can apply for probate, if required, from the court to authenticate and execute the will.